So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on GBP USD. So guys, I want you to actually join the YouTube membership which we just currently start offering. We will be going live every week, and also we'll be giving guys full breakdown on what you should be expecting on GU, which is GBP USD. Every movement you should be expecting, and the news, the potential movements that would be happening if the news is released. So every of these movements will be covered in the YouTube membership. So check the YouTube membership and join. Once you join, you'll be able to get the full of it. Now take a look at this GBP USD. We can look at that this is a downtrend move. Right now, I'll be expecting one more drop. So come to tap a level of 33125. That is the level that I am expecting it to come to tap. 33125. There's also possibility to likely break below it, right? If it will break below it, I'll give you the update in the YouTube membership. And if it will not, I'm also going to give you the update. So basically the full update will be shared in the membership. So if you trade GBP USD, join the membership to stay updated.